So as promised, let's talk about finding the surface area and volume of a triangular pyramid, where the base here is a triangle instead of a square like we just talked about. So first off, let's give this shape some dimensions. So let's assume this corner here is a right angle. Let's say that this base here is 15.1 centimeters, and this right here is 11.3 centimeters. Let's let this back side, this dotted line here, let's let that be 18.9 centimeters. Let's let our true height, remember our true height is from the peak here down, and it has to be at a right angle. So this true height here be 18 centimeters. And our slant height, which would be this dimension here, our slant height, let's let be 18.2 centimeters. All right, I think that's all the information we need. So let's first write down the formula for surface area of a pyramid. So the formula for surface area of a pyramid is half times the perimeter times the slant height plus the area of the base. And you guys can't see that. So I'll rewrite it here. So the surface area is half times the perimeter times the slant height plus the area of the base. So we can just bring our half down, and now let's find the perimeter of the base. So remember, P is the perimeter of base. So we have our base here is this triangle. So we have to add 15.1 plus 11.3 plus 18.9. Perimeter of the base, we add those three sides, and we get 45.3 centimeters. So we can just replace our P here with 45.3 times our slant height. Our slant height is given here is 18.2 plus the area of our base. So capital B here is the area of base, and our base of this pyramid is a triangle. Okay, so to find the area of a triangle, we know that that formula is half times base times height, where our base and height, remember, are perpendicular, so they meet at a right angle. So our base and height here are 15.1 and 11.3. So you can take your calculator and say half, or 0.5 times 15.1 times 11.3, and we get, you should get 85.315. So that's the area of just the triangular base. So we want to replace this capital B here with 85.315. So half of 45.3 times 18.2 comes out to be 412.23 plus the area of our base. So this area here represents the three triangle faces that all meet at this peak, where this 85.315 is the area of our base. If I add those up, I get 497.545. Remember, surface area is always in square units, so in this case, square centimeters. So let's move on and find our volume of this same shape. So the volume formula is a third times the area of our base times the height of the pyramid. So we have a third times the area of the base, we already figured out, is 85.315 times our height of this figure. The height of the whole pyramid is 18 centimeters. So if I were to work this out just on my calculator, I get 511.89 cubic centimeters.